What is up, guys? Welcome to another one. As you can probably tell, I have just came back from work, but we are going to chuck some new mud guards onto Ute, and then tomorrow we will also take the boat out for a spin. But either way, I'm going to change and then we should get into it. Yeah, that thing's shredded. Yeah, no, we'll just chop it off and then we should get a new bolt onto it. Right, so I just need to do a quick pit stop at Bunnings because these bolts that I have at the minute, the thread doesn't come down low enough. I actually forgot how fast this parole went compared to the Hilux. Alright, we are back. We've got some 10mm bolts right here. Honestly though, I'd say this looks a bit cleaner than these old ones up. You know, I'll paint this up and yeah, it'll come out nice and clean. Yeah, no, the mud guards are on there. The mud flaps, they're good. Nice and clean, aren't they? We are going to go pick up my mates now. We shall clean out the boat and then we'll hit the river. So I do have my mates here now. We are just servicing Will's car. Funnily enough, this used to be my roller back in the day when I used to be a learner driver, pretty much on its last legs at ready second. We are going to try service it. I'm just teaching Will how to service this little roller. It should be loose by now. And so pretty much all we're doing for the car is just changing out the oil and the oil filter. The oil, I tell you, so brown, so dirty. You know, once that new oil is in it, it's gonna run like smooth. It sounds like a race car with a V8. Nice and dirty oil right there, eh? Rushy wants my super duper. Zoopery doopery Rushy. Well, everyone, the motor surprisingly started first pop, which is absolutely awesome. We are going to take it out for a spin. We've got all the fishing rods here and stuff. Hopefully we catch something. What do you reckon we're going to catch, boys?
Not sure.
Blue swimmers, maybe?
Nah, maybe.
Will's just cleaning the boat for me at the minute. Why don't you come over the edge? So the phone kind of ran out of space for a second there. Pretty much we have set it all up. It is all ready to go. Oh, that's slippery. Done an interesting rope dive. There we go. Yeah, now we've all made it onto the boat without falling into the water. I've got no idea where we're heading, but we're going somewhere. But so we kind of hit a rough patch there. So we're heading towards this bridge over here where the city is, but it's a wee bit too bad.
A little too choppy.
Just a little bit too choppy for the good. It's great, it's mental. I'm not having a boat. Well, he was getting cleansed anyway, not anymore, but rightio, we have parked up on the boat. Quite peaceful over here. Drop a line out here, hopefully we can catch something. Definitely a good view out here though, for sure. There's not that many clouds out here today. Even if we don't end up catching anything, it's just good being out on the water. Even though I am in Perth, I'm still doing all this fun stuff. Get outside the cave for all the videos and adventures to come. We're literally getting no bites tonight. Will has caught himself. Yeah, no, we're definitely not getting any bites at all though. You'll never believe what we caught, but we caught nothing. Probably gonna start heading back there. It's definitely getting a wee bit darker now. We're gonna have a fire later on tonight. Oh, that's heavy when it comes out of the water. Oh, look at that! That's like, oh no! Feels like mud, like cement. Yeah, mate. Oh. Alright everyone, we have made it off to the shore. Reverse the car back in there. We'll chuck away the rest of the fish in the boat that's over there with the utes. You know, we've got back home. We're going to take Will's Corolla back and then we'll just start a fire. Yeah, the Corolla does sound a wee bit less weird as it has been before. I'm going to show you the sound of it real quick. It still sounds interesting though. Corolla, it will last a few more years I reckon. I am at Will's place and we're eating sausages as well. Snags on the barbie. We're just going to chill here for the rest of the night and I shall see ya tomorrow morning. Right, everyone, good morning. Now I know last night I did not catch anything with Will and Elliot, but today I am going out again on a boat. So hopefully this time I actually catch something. So let's hit the water once again. Alright everyone, I am with my mate CJ. We got the boat there. We're back at Mosman Park again. Hopefully we can catch something before this one. Hopefully we can catch something. If we don't have any luck here, we shall continue on somewhere else. CJ caught a flounder. He's about 27. Yeah, no, we caught something, which is good. First catch of the day. Next catch will be a bull shark, I reckon. Oh, that's a bull. No. Oh, come on. Bro doesn't want to start. Rock. This might hurt a bit, eh? Engine didn't want to start for a second there. And are we just going to move a bit further on that way? It starts to get about 20 metres deep in some of these areas over here. But hopefully we can catch something here. We have already caught one flounder. I wonder if those people are over there. Oi! What the heck? It's a jellyfish. Oh. Nah, I think I just got seaweed. Oh, no, not anymore. I've never seen it before. Sunken yacht right here. I'm not sure. Wait. I would put a few things here and there now. Probably about 10 fish in a bucket at the minute. No crabs, unfortunately. All in all, we caught a good little cushion right here. Got a few other bits and bobs around the spot. That was a good day.
You don't like fish?
Oh yeah. Oh no, it's a little tiny dog. Chill out, mate. Otherwise I'll probably squeeze you to death otherwise, mate.
Threatening a fish.
Oh, salty. Have a look at this little tiny boy. Smelly boy. That looks so funny, doesn't it? The river is nice and calm. I think fish did we actually catch anyway. No worries. We'll head back. He can keep all the fish and I'll cook up my own stuff. We have made it back to my place. Yeah, CJ will take all the fish home with him. Should be all good for the night. I'll see you all tomorrow. Alright everyone, so today it is raining, so I probably won't be doing a lot. I have gone off to the shops. I have bought myself a SIG welder. They're definitely a good brand. I've used them quite well before. So we are going to try a few practice runs before we do start working on this canopy build. And obviously that canopy build won't be, unfortunately, in this video, but it will be coming up quite soon, so stay keen for it. What I did want to show you guys though is the helmet that I got. Not bad at all. Comes with a bag as well, mate. This is definitely a cool helmet. There's like a cobra up top there. Good stuff. Got this old piece of steel right here. Just testing out how the welder goes. Let's see, look. Well, the welder works. That's pretty much all I needed to figure out. And we can start on the canopy build. I hope you enjoyed the video. God bless. See you all next week.